In this lesson, we'll be taking a look at the flat pattern feature and its options. Like any other feature, I'll click on it and select Edit Feature to access the Flat Pattern Property Manager. The first section is where you specify the fixed face. The fixed face is the face of your sheet metal part that remains stationary while the other faces bend around it. To change the fixed face, you simply select a face in the graphics window while the fixed face field is active. Let's take a look at the next section of the Flat Pattern Property Manager. It's the checkbox labeled Merge Faces. This will merge all faces that are planar and coincident in the flattened state. Let's look at the part with this option selected. I'll first get out of this feature and then click the Flatten button from the sheet metal toolbar. Notice there are no edges where the bends meet. The sheet metal part is all one face. Now I'll go back into the Flat Pattern feature and uncheck the Merge Faces option and then click OK. Now, in the flattened state of this part, you can see the faces of the bends. The next option to explore is the Simplify Bends option. This option controls how curves in the bend region are treated. With Simplify Bends selected, SOLIDWORKS will make linear edges out of curves in the bend region. Now let's take a look at a different part. This part has a cut that goes across the bend regions, creating a curved edge in those regions. The default is set to Simplify Bends, as you can see when I edit the Flat Pattern feature. I'll unselect it and click OK. Now, when I flatten the part, the edge in this bend region is curved. I'll go back into the feature and check the Simplify Bends option. Now, when I look at the flattened part, the edge in the bend region is a linear edge that's easier to manufacture. The next option in the Flat Pattern feature is the Corner Treatment checkbox. This controls how SOLIDWORKS displays the corners where bends meet. With this option checked, SOLIDWORKS adds corner treatment to all the corners to create a clean, flattened sheet metal part that's correct for manufacturing. If I uncheck this option and then flatten the part, you can see that the corners where the bends meet do not have corner treatment applied and do not meet correctly.